Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this really easy neon dry brush and nail stamp design. So I'm going to use neon green by Salon Perfect called Tropical Hideaway, neon pink also by Salon Perfect called Burst Your Bubblegum, and a neon orange by Oily called Tropical Pop. So I already painted my nails with white polish. The polish I'm using is by Sinful Colors called Snow Me White. And I'm just going to do really easy, simple, abstract design. Just a quick design. You can do with any colors, but I'm really into neon, so I want to use them. Then using my Finger Angels A008 nail plate, I'm going to apply black stamping polish onto a floral design. I just thought adding that design on top of it, it just brought the whole look together. You can use any floral nail stamp design that you want, but I just loved how this came out. It's fun, it's cute, and it's really easy to do. You can do it with any colors that you want. And once I was done, I just removed the liquid latex. I cleaned around my nails and I applied a quick dry top coat. Like I said, I love doing these abstract designs, and I see that you guys love watching them. I guess because it's really easy and simple to do. And you can do any colors. Like I said, choose any colors you want. It's really fun and easy. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.